Hi guys, here I am at the Dollar General. So let's see what they have in home decor. Okay, so you have these buckets over here, guys. I can't read, so those are $6. Then this one over here, guys, I think this one is $8. So these baskets here, this basket, look at it from the side. Whoops, that one is $6, and the smaller one, guys, are $4. Okay, so they have some of the frames. So they have this frame for $3, and then this frame over here for $4. They have this one over here for $4 also, and this one. These are nice. That frame back there is $5. So guys, look at this. So this cross right here, this is $7. That one says believe, and this one is $7. This one says grace. That's pretty neat. Then they have this one over here. This is cute for the bathroom. It says floss. And that one back there says kitchen. And that one says coffee. And those are $4 each, guys. Okay, I'll try to show you as much as I can because the guy is stocking. So then they have this design right here. This is $10. Okay. Then they have this right here. This says love. I like that. And this one here, this is the pinwheel, guys. And that one says try new things, believe in yourself, enjoy the little things, think positive. I like this. So this message here, this board here, this pinwheel is $8. Okay, let's see. So this one is the one that says hope. Okay. And then this one, oh, this one is pretty. Okay, so this one says we love because he first loved us. That's 1 John 4:19. Isn't that gorgeous? For $6. That's some nice wall decor. Then they have the initials over here in the tin, in the white and black, like an enamel type finish is supposed to be, and that's $5, guys. So they come in all letters there. Then they have this one here. It says bring the good. I like that. And that's $8. So guys, they have a whole bunch of this stuff here. So I don't want to hold him up. So let's see what else they have. So this one says together we have it all. I like that. That's very nice. This one says God bless our family, and that one, guys, is $6. And look how pretty that is in that frame. So this one says the same cross one for $6. Let your light shine. I like that one. $6. Bless all who enter here. That's $6. And here's the floss one. And then here is grace, God, and gratitude. I like that, guys. They have some nice wall decor at this location. So as for me and my house, we serve tacos. Oh my goodness. Funny though, something funny about that. Okay, so then this one says good. I think I showed you this one, guys. So let me see what else I can show you because they're all mixed up in here. So this one here says home with the it's a 3-piece canvas set for the wall. Okay, and that is $10. So that welcome over there says that one is $6, and that one that says it is good to be home, $6. And this one here, that one says bless our nest, and then this one here says love grows best in little houses like this. That's $8, guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. I like that one. So then you have that one that says life is beautiful, and that's $6. And then family makes a house a home, and that's $3. So this one is the letter J with the marble background, guys, and that's $5. So let's come over here. As far as anyone else knows, we are a nice normal family. I wasn't even expecting that to say that. That's $8. And over there, life is beautiful. I like that. I should get that from my house, guys. That is so funny. And count your blessings. That one is $6, guys. I can't get all the way to the back, but that was so funny. Then this one says Home Sweet Home. It's like a shadow box. $7, guys. I don't even know where to put it. And this one is also different. Oh, look, they have the little the little shaker gems inside. Breaking Case of Fabulous. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, isn't that gorgeous? That's $5. So then they have this one here. Enjoy the Little Things, and this is $8, guys. They have so many of them. I want to show them all to you. I hope I can. I don't want to get in his way. Okay. Walk by faith, not by sight. I like that. That's very beautiful, guys. So that's a good one. So then, let's see. They have this huge box in my way here, but it says wash your hands, brush your teeth, and don't forget to flush. That's cute. So they have that one. And look at this one, guys. It says Born to Sparkle for $5. I love that. Oh my goodness. So both of those are really cute. I like those. And that one over there has a kitchen one. Let me see what it says. So this one says kitchen meals and memories are made here. I like that. And then here's a picture frame that says memories. Okay, so if I come down here, guys, I'm just watching him just to make sure I have a little bit of time. So this one says $10, and then this one here says kitchen rules. Okay, and those are $6. Then these little ones here, love always and eat well. That's really nice, guys. So here's another one of those canvas. Okay, there's no place to put these. Let's see. So this one here says, bless the food before us, family beside us, and the love between us. I love that one. That's $6, guys. And then this one says happiness is not long. Is a long, hot, bubbly bath. He's coming. Okay, so this one says laundry service and self-service open 24 hours. And I'm loving that welcome sign right there for $8. That one says pray often. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this one says, I'm not lucky, I am blessed. I love that one. Then these are a 2-piece canvas set for $10. I think that's a cow, guys. There's 2 of them. Okay, there's 2 of them back there. Okay, and this last one says wash and dry self-serve. Very nice. Okay. So this is by True Living Vanilla Honey, $5. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. And then this one here says Sugar Cherry Merlot, $5. I think I might have shown these to you before. And this one is Sweet Papaya. So this is Magnolia Gardens. That's also $5. Vanilla Sugar. And this one says Magnolia Garden. Okay, then they have some tea lights and some saint candles on the bottom. So these are the collapsible bins in the fabric, and that's $4.50. Then they have these smaller ones here. Let me see. These, I think those are $3. So I'm liking these baskets right here, guys. These collapsible ones. This one says things and that one says stuff. And then these, look at these. I'm loving those handles. So those are $10. And these baskets right here, guys, are absolutely gorgeous. So these are $10. Let me see if I can pull them. They're stuck in there. Then these must be slightly bigger, and these are $12. So then they have the 2-compartment cube organizer. I'm not sure how much the 2-compartment is, but that bookcase is $22. Okay, this is one of the baskets right here. I think this is the $12 one. So then you have the curtains, guys, and the rods. So these curtains right here, the Minka, those are $12. Then they have this kind right here, the domino, that's $12. And then you have this set here, the Bali, and that is $10. And here it is in the Melrose. Okay, then they have these, the domino, the Livingston, these are $12. And then these are $14. Okay, and then you have some of these. These are $10 and these are $12. Okay, so they have those lampshades on top over there for $5, guys. And then look at the style. This one looks like galvanized metal. So that lampstand there is $7. Then you have this one, which reminds me of that rub bronze, guys. That's $7. I don't know, I may get one of those. Then this style right here is also $7. These are all $7. So then they have this style right here is $12. That's LED. And then they have these little tiny lamps right here, guys. And this is the lampshade, $12. And look at the color. Isn't that a beautiful color? So that also must be $10. Then they have these digital clocks right here, $12. They have these clocks down here for $4. And so, guys, they have some of your, like your tapes and command strips, and you have your spray paints, and you have your glues, and then on this side your cleaning supplies. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out some of their home decor and more, and I'll see you in the next video.